Hello, melted friends. So I am in downtown Florence, Arizona, and each time I visit this building, I discover something new about it. It started a few months ago where I realized that we have mud flooded or melt flooded front windows. Check it out. Number 1 and number 2. But over on this side of the building, I noticed this today, and it reminded me of Mark Gollett's post of the building, and I think it was in Alabama somewhere. So I'm not sure, but this is interesting. It seems like we have a layer of deformed bricks here at the bottom. I could be mistaken, but maybe not. And then we have the mud flooded windows or melt flooded windows here in the front, because nearby there are several melted buildings. So that's why I say melt flood now, not just mud flood. And check this out. Of course, part of this building is underground. We could tell by those front windows, but look at this. These melted bricks, or is this something more modern? I mean, it appears that this building was excavated at some point to get down to this lower level, and I'm wondering if these are melted bricks. And again, this is in downtown Florence, Arizona. Constructed in 1890. Thinking there's more to the story of this building.